am I meant to measure a cup? One of us is working hard, one's hardly working. Today we are making Kourabiedes. So we've got 2 packs of butter. A cup of icing sugar. How am I meant to measure a cup? What's next? Okay, so 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. A Yiayia size shot of brandy. A couple of tablespoons of orange blossom, lovely. She's make bread. She's like, what do you think of making bread? Thank goodness I've got an actual recipe for this good to people, haven't I? Okay. Alright. Do you love me?
No.
So it's very, very buttery. I feel like at this point she's just taking the mickey out of me. You want me to make it light? Yeah. At this point, we all know it's going to be more. It's like we're making rocks over here. Oh, guess what? Need some flour? I'm trying. I'm trying. Do you remember that first sieve? 10 sieves later. Okay. So I'm just going to shape them into like little crescents. You can do them long, but I'm going to do the moon shape. Sieve though. We put some orange blossom water on them, so they're still warm, aren't they? Still warm. Yeah, it sticks. The icing sugar sticks them if they're warm. If you let them go cold, they won't stick. So and then we sprinkled them with a tiny bit of orange blossom, not too much because it's a bit bitter. And then what we're doing is we're tossing them in icing sugar, so it sort of just has a nice cakey layer. And then we are layering them up in more icing sugar, and that's going to preserve them. And then that's it. And there's so many jokes about non-Cypriot people eating these. It's like, you can tell if someone's Greek or not because they end up with like a face full of icing sugar. So you do little boxes of them for Christmas presents. Really good. Delicious. Lovely. Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.